like how mahal pala ng mga cheese whiz. Medyo gloomy na, guys. Some new specs. Hello guys, it's Chelsea and welcome to the vlog. Long time no see. It has been such a long time. Say hi to OT. Say hi to everyone. OT. Fix your necktie. I just wanna say, I feel so relieved na na-upload ko na yung Vietnam vlog ko kasi ay, sobrang nahirapan talaga ako doon. Sa totoo lang, ang dami ko pa talagang backlogs. Ako na talaga mag-rant pero ang dami talaga nangyari. As in, ang dami ko na sanang na-upload pero nasira yung hard drive ko. I was supposed to upload a Singapore vlog before everything else. I was 97% done with my Singapore. So, sobrang na-stress na talaga ako, malala, na biglang umikli yung attention span ko when it comes to editing. Pakiramdam ko kasi sobrang naramdaman ko talaga na sayang talaga, nasayangan talaga ako sa effort ko and sa lahat ng oras na ginastos ko doon sa pag-edit ko ng mga videos na nandun sa hard drive na nasira. That's why it took me a long time rin na makapag-upload. Anyway, wait lang. Focus. Medyo dumadaldal na naman tayo. Basta I'm just happy to be back on track. And just like what I said in my past videos, it's okay to have multiple day ones. So today is another day of me trying to film. And I'm just happy na it's out there. The important thing is we are trying again. Right, OT? Some things we just really cannot control and we just have to accept it and move forward and just reset. Just gonna make it work. So yeah, that's why I'm vlogging today kasi nalabas ko na yun. I'm finally able to vlog myself yung mga ganitong klase ng vlog. Anyway, last night nalabas ko yung mga notebooks ko, yung mga journals ko kasi kailangan ko na talaga ng tulong. Before, ganito naman yung mga ginagawa ko pero sometimes nawawala ka rin talaga sa routine. But what's important naman is, ayun nga, getting back into it. Here we go. Again, here are my journals, my notebooks, my planners. This one, nasimulan ko na siya, pero hindi ko na siya ulit nasulatan. And gusto ko maging consistent ako sa pagsulat ko dito. Especially now na I'm in my 20s, living alone, it's really important to budget and make sure na you're not going overboard. These two, this one is actually this is my best friend. This is yung journal or yung notebook na sinusulatan ko when my emotions get really intense na kailangan ko na talaga ng outlet. Yung kasi hindi ko na talaga alam sino kakausapin, saan ko lalabas to, mga galit na to, charot. Itong isa kong notebook, this is where I write the most random things. Yung mga ideas ko kapag may collab or just parang random business idea, ganun. Or mga plano. As in, ito yung random notebook. Ito naman, this is another planner. Ito yung bala ko na everyday I will write on this. It's from the Lula Club. I wrote on it last night. Yeah, I'm really trying to get myself back in the zone. This is the road to turning overwhelmed to organize. Pero sa totoo lang, ang pinaka ginagamit ko talaga to stay organized is my Notion. I have it on my phone and I also have it on my laptop. Connected kasi sila. If kunwari meron akong to-do list dito, if I take it off here, automatically, ayun nga, since connected siya sa laptop, parang easy na lang. But I just wanna write on my journal also and my planners para naka-spread out talaga kasi sometimes I also do digital detox. So it helps na you also have something tangible. Okay, ang kulit nga kasi yung mga friends ko kapag nanghihingi sila ng tips on how to stay organized, talaga, ang sinasabi ko talaga palagi is Notion kasi I really love it and nandun talaga lahat nung parang kailangan ko. Kunwari may mga checklist ako, ganun. Doon ako gumagawa ng itinerary when I travel and kapag magbabayad ako ng tubig, ng Meralco, doon ko chine-check if nakabayad na ako or kapag may magbabayad sa akin. Kaso ang nakukuha ko talaga palaging response is ang hirap daw mag-start sa Notion. Pero guys, it's really easy. The way that I was able to navigate my way throughout Notion is I attended a class on Skillshare, and with that I just want to say that this video is actually sponsored by Skillshare. If you guys aren't familiar with Skillshare yet, Skillshare is an online learning platform perfect for creatives, aspiring creatives, or any individual who is down to learn or upskill. The thing about Skillshare is that they offer so many classes taught by professionals from different industries, as in covering anything from film, illustration, graphic design, art, freelance and productivity. I actually just started a new class just this week when I was organizing my Notion. It's a class by Sarah Edwards. She's an art director and a creative success coach. And that's where I got the from overwhelmed to organized, kasi that's what her class is all about. It's how to design your daily, as in simple structure with Notion. As I mentioned, I'm on Notion a lot. I want to organize it better and really see like my top goals. The thing that I love about Skillshare is that when you take a class, you have to take it in order. Nagkakaroon ng progress kasi from introduction, nagkakaroon ng steps on how you do this and that, so you can follow along. Since it's back to school season, I feel like Skillshare can be a really helpful platform for all of the students out there. If you guys want to get into that, this is the perfect time because the first 500 people to click the link in my description box can get a 1-month free trial on Skillshare. So get started today. Oh my gosh, in fairness, medyo mahaba-habang usapan yun. We are gonna be making some matcha and a lot of you were asking about my matcha powder. Pero ito kasi, pasalubong to sa akin ng pinsan ng boyfriend ko, si Ate O, nung pumunta siya ng Japan. And puro kasi siya Japanese character, so hindi ko rin alam kung anong masishare ko. But the only English here is Kyoto Uji Matcha. That's it. This is my matcha. It's not very good. Pero okay lang yan. Hindi na siya ganun ka-green. We are snacking. This is one of my favorites. I like putting this on my toast. Tapos, lalagyan ko ng olive oil, tapos tomato, salt, and pepper. Kaso wala akong olive oil ngayon. So, bread lang muna. And cheese. Plain and simple, but yummy. Today, I wanna unbox yung mga gifts sa akin ni Gads na mga appliances. Tayo ay nanalo ng parang pangkabuhayang showcase. Actually, na-open ko naman na sila pero parang nag-peek lang talaga ako and chinek ko if may space ako for them. Tapos binalik ko sila sa box kasi wala pa pala akong space para sa kanila. So, I did some rearranging. And this time, I am gonna place them dun sa kanilang mga pwesto or mga temporary pwesto na. Kasi, yun, nakagawa na ako ng space para sa kanila. Pero, I'm really happy. Excited na kasi ako. Parang ayoko silang nakatambay lang sa box. Gusto ko na sila makita out in the open. So, ayun. Medyo gloomy na, guys. First thing that Gads got me is a microwave oven. Ang tagal ko na to gusto kasi minsan nahihirapan talaga ako mag-init or minsan parang nag-resort na lang ako sa kakain na lang ako sa labas kasi tinatamad ako, ganun. Oh my gosh, feeling ko expert na ako. Ah, ang ganda! Yeah. I just bought one of my gold lamps for my space. Pero hindi ko pa talaga alam kung saan ko siya ilalagay. Pero when I saw it on sale sa Mandawi, I just had to get it. This is an Arc floor lamp. Got it for less than 3,000 pesos. And it was such a steal kasi ang ganda ng quality. This is the base. And it is a heavy marble, black marble. Kaya. used to be my vanity table or my desk. This is where I work or do my makeup, ganon. Sa bedroom talaga siya nakalagay. But since I'm kind of purchasing some new stuff for the bedroom, so dapat ibibigay ko na lang siya sa kapatid ko. Tapos nagpagawa kasi ako ng bagong table. Pero naisip ko, this can act as an island for the kitchen. Ito yung gift sa akin ng kapatid ni God. Sobrang cute. Kamukha niya si OT. Pinaintingan din siya nung parang necktie ni OT. Black and white kasi siya. Tapos yung white niya, parang hugis necktie dito sa front. Nadagdagan ko siya, pero it's really cute. Dito ko siya lalagay para pag pasok mo ng pinto, parang merong bantay agad. Anyway, nagdikit din ako neto sa likod ng door. Hala, itong ating house rules. Be creative, wash dishes, dance. Emotions are okay. Treat yourself. Hindi ako gumawa yan kaya may dance, pero I like it. But anyway, this is the new addition, new slight addition here sa kitchen area. Yun nga, this was my desk before, but now, para siyang island, kitchen island, kasi kailangan ko rin ng extra workspace. So, extra patungan to, tapos perfect din yung microwave dyan. Kasi pag sa ibang parts, or parang ipapatong ko sa taas ng ref o kaya doon sa kitchen counter, delikado talaga and medyo masikip. So ito, at least it has its own space. So far, yun yung mga na-add dito sa condo. Super happy ako about them. Kahit yung iba sa kanila parang impulse purchase. The reason why I gave myself a go signal na bilhin sila is because they're what I've been looking for ng sobrang tagal na. Pero hindi ko kasi talaga sila makita nung time na hinahanap ko sila. Tapos nung hindi ko na sila hinahanap, doon sila lumitaw. Kaya binili ko sila. Logic lang. Speaking of new, I got some new specs na I wanna share with you guys kasi I think they're really nice. I got them on the Orange app. This was just 80 pesos and it looks really good. Tapos ito naman, medyo mas mahal lang to ng onte. This is 220 pesos, 250. Pero yung quality nito, para siya yung nasa mall. And it's that time of the year na magpapa-check ulit ako ng mata. If hindi nyo alam, malabo talaga yung mata ko and I haven't tried wearing mga contact lens. So, kapag may event ako or basta kung naglalakad lang ako sa labas, malabo talaga yung mata ko. Kaya pag may nag-hello sa akin minsan sa malayo, hindi ko talaga nakikita. Parang gano'n na lang ako, pero hindi ko talaga alam. Sino ba to? Parang gano'n. But, ayun. Ito yung mga nabili ko. Napapalagyan ko na ng grado sa Quiapo. Anyway, this is what they look like. This is the first one. It's really nice. I feel like it fits my face shape. Yun kasi yung mahirap eh. I'm always in the constant hunt sa mga frames na bagay sa mukha ko or sa laki ng face ko kasi medyo malaki yung mukha ko. But I like this a lot. But yeah, this is nice. This is the first one. And then this is the second one. Medyo mas malaki siya. Tada! It's also good. So, a yarn din nila. Tapos madami pa silang ibang colors and designs. So nice. Another thing that's new is yung boyfriend niya. Binigyan ako ng kama. And it's so nice. It's green. I super love this. This is OT's new bed. And sobrang pasok siya sa color palette dito sa condo, which I really love. Ayan, OT. I wasn't able to film myself nung in-unwrap ko or in-unbox ko itong carpet. But I got it the same day nung in-assemble ko yung lamp. Magkasama sila. Pero masyado kasi ako na-excite na i-set up siya, kaya hindi ko na na-videohan. Pero, you guys know this, I've been wanting a really big cow print carpet. Meron kasi ako yung black and white, pero I got it nung, as in matagal na, pandemic pa sa Orange app, and wala na yung listing na yun, wala na yung malaking version. So this, after so many years or months of looking, and finally, meron na akong cow print carpet na malaki. Gusto ko sana black and white, pero it works pa rin naman. Tapos dito ko muna pinatong yung mga coffee machine ko. Actually, upgrade ko nga tong Inicia ko kasi I did a collaboration with Nespresso. Feature ko dun yung Pantone machine, yung may cream and orange. So, I'm gonna upgrade into that kasi sobrang bagay siya dito sa isa kong machine na regalo sa akin ng boyfriend ko, si Gads. Yung Pantone Nespresso na machine, mostly orange siya na may onting cream. And I feel like perfect combination sila. So, I'm gonna upgrade, but so far, ayan muna. Nagpagawa nga ako ng shelf for this wall. Medyo wavy siya. Hindi ko pa siya nakakabit kasi plano ko pinturahan. Doon ko ipapatong yung mga coffee beans, gano'n. Yung mga bulbs ko pala, guys, nabili ko siya sa Lazada. Yung brand niya is Crabtex. So, nandito lang lahat. Ni-register ko silang lahat dito sa app. And I'm able to control, as in yung colors nito, kasi smart bulb sila. So, ayun, nag-iiba sila ng kulay. Super easy. As in, madali lang mag-set ng vibe. So yeah, that is basically the updates. I know this vlog is a bit more raw, but since I'm trying to get back into things muna, slowly muna siya, but surely. Hindi ko na maintindihan ng mga pag-construct ko ng sentence, pero yun, I feel like an apartment or a condo update was the way to go. Kasi mamaya may mga clips sa mga susunod na videos na may mga bagong gamit. At least dito parang na-unbox ko na sila. So, yun, sobrang grateful ako sa mga bago kong items kasi sila talaga yung mga, alam mo yung mga tipong na ini-imagine ko pa lang na magkakaroon ako ng space ko. Yung mga pieces na yun yung mga pinipin ko on my Pinterest board, ganun. Katulad nung carpet ko na cow print, itong green ko na sofa. Basta I'm super grateful. And you know what? Something that I realized just a few weeks ago, or actually parang last month, ganun, is that by next month, October, sa mga second week or mid-week, mag-1 year na ako dito. Mag-1 year na ako living alone, which is crazy kasi akalain mo yun, mag-iisang taon na. Sobrang bilis ng oras. Actually, kahit nga itong si OT, ang dami nagsasabi na ang bilis niyang lumaki. Pero guys, ang tagal ni OT dito. Si OT ay pinanganak ng December, tapos dinala siya sa akin ng friend ko nung 3 months old siya, magti 3 months old. So, ayun, wala lang. Ang bilis, and naiisip ko, ang unti pa ng videos na nasi-share ko. That's why I really wanna get back into vlogging my days like this. Kasi gusto ko mapakita sa inyo yung process on how I turn this space into a home. Kasi it's been a year, pero nandun pa rin ako sa process na furnish ko pa rin siya. Hindi madali kasi syempre naglilikom tayo ng mga pondo, ganon, para makabili ng mga gamit. Pero it's coming together, especially here sa living room. I'm really happy every time na nandito ako. Parang nakikita ko na, oh, this is my space. This is how I imagined it nung wala pa akong ganitong space. Parang ganito yung na-imagine kong pwesto ng mga gamit, kulay ng mga gamit, ganon. So, yun. Thank you for watching this video. I know it's a bit, I know it's a bit raw. Promise ko, mag-share pa talaga ako ng mga days na ganito with you guys. Yung mga clips ko, yung mga vlogs ko nung nakaraan, I'm still gonna upload them. Tiwala lang kayo. So, yeah, that's gonna be it for today's video. Odi and I are just gonna chill. I'm gonna be making some lazy girl dinner, and that's gonna be it. Anyway, I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye!